The next stage of this conversation, the next phase, I should say, is Jesus met her on common ground. We have something in common. So barriers are broken down. You are going to put your Jewish lips on my cup. How many times do we go into witness or to talk to somebody about the Lord, but we're not willing to share a cup with them? You think about that? I want to preach and I want to tell you about Jesus, but I don't want to share that cup with you. It's very interesting. Today I'm going to the gym later, and I'm going to the gym with one of my clients who's Muslim. And later on, I'm going to be going to church again later with a client who is Asian. And there are times in the past where I've gone out with several different clients. I went with, and I won't go into the details because I don't know, he may not watch this, but it was a function of about 200 homosexuals. And he was thoroughly surprised that I showed up. Thoroughly surprised. What does that do? It breaks down people's barriers. If he's willing to do that, this Christianity thing is not what I thought it was. He's willing to come in here with me on my turf and spend time with me. And everybody knows, like, oh, that's that Berg Barber. He's a Christian, and he's here. All these, yeah, I'm here. So before you can share the gospel with anybody and share God's word, before you can bring in theology, you need to look at sociology. Sociology is using that to be on common ground, break down barriers. We can all be one. Because Jesus immediately went into living water. So he brought in the theology after the sociology, but he would have never been able to bring in that theology unless he was willing to share that cup. Sometimes we just want to throw theology onto people, and they well, you have to bring in the oneness, because they're not going to listen to you unless you're willing to take that cup from them or know that you would. So relationship is crucial.